In this video, I'm going to show you where to find your routing number on Cash App. The process is very simple and only takes a few seconds. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Cash App on your phone. Once you are on the home screen, tap on your balance located in the bottom left corner of the screen. After that, a new page will open showing your account details and balance information. From there, tap on Account Routing near the top of the screen. You will now see both your Cash App routing number and your account number. These details can be used for direct deposits, paychecks, bank transfers, and other payment services connected to your Cash App account. Keep in mind that routing numbers may be different depending on when or where your Cash App account was created, so always use the routing number shown directly inside your own account. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.